You've probably seen these baby podcast videos that are going viral, generating guys hundreds of thousands of views like this.
It's pretty wild. It's because I'm an alien. And I keep telling people I'm an alien, but they don't believe me.
I generated that in under 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. I'm also going to show you an automation that literally does it for you in 1 minute and creates videos like this.
Dude, think about it. Smoking weed is like unlocking alternate channels in your brain, right? Like, who decided this plant needed to be illegal?
By simply filling in a form. If that's something that interests you, stick around. It's 3 easy steps your grandma could do. They're so easy. Let's dive into it. As you can see here, these things are going absolutely viral. A guy that has just 26,000 subscribers has 784,000 views in just 9 days. And if we keep scrolling down, you can see this is quite a viral trend that guys can capitalize on. Let me show you exactly how we can go about recreating this with famous celebrities or people like that in the step-by-step guide. So the first step in the process is to find a clip you basically want to recreate. And we're going to need an audio file we can steal and download. So for that, I'm going to use this clip of Joe Rogan and Elon Musk chatting to each other. And I'm going to use this program that took me quite a while to find that will also be available in my community for totally free. That'll download it for us. So go ahead and download the clip you want to recreate. Once the download is finished, you want to grab the clip and open up CapCut and then import the clip into CapCut like so. Right, so as you can see there's our clip. Now in order to separate the audio, you want to click the clip over here, select it, and push Ctrl-Shift-S. And as you can see here, that has now separated the audio from the actual video. So once we've separated our audio, you want to go ahead and delete the video file over here. So I will just select that and delete it. Now you'll hear that we have music in the background of this. We have some music in the background of this. We need to remove that. You want to go select that audio file, right click, go separate audio, and then hit vocals. So right now CapCut is separating the vocals from the music. It's some pretty cool stuff that most people don't know CapCut can do. I'm going to go ahead and delete the music, and now we have a clean cut audio file. Now you want to go through this and cut it where Joe stops talking and then Elon stops talking, and then save those files. So the next step in the process is to generate an image of our characters that we're going to animate. For that, you're going to head over to ChatGPT, and I used this prompt. Make an image of Joe Rogan as a 3-year-old baby in a podcasting studio with a mic in front and headphones on. Make it a close-up image. So it generated me this image. I then said make one for Elon Musk too. I wasn't too happy with this one, so I kept prompting it, saying make the baby look more like Elon Musk. This one looks like Elon Musk, but I wasn't happy with the hair, let's say. So I said make the hair darker, and then I did eventually manage to get these. I then re-uploaded the images and asked them just to zoom out a bit more so we have more perspective of where they are. So now that we have our images, we're going to get to animating them with the voiceover. Though we have our audio file and our image, we're going to head on over to animating our images with the audio file. For that, we're going to use a program called Hedra. You're going to head over to a website now called hedra.com. It allows us to animate these images we've just made, and you're going to go over here and click on video. And from here, you'll see you get a start frame. This is where we're going to add the picture of our baby and then the audio script. And then we're going to give it a prompt. Download these images by clicking over here, name them, the ones you're happy with, and then we're going to upload them. Now you'll see once I've uploaded my image of Elon here and my voice of Elon here, I am going to need to prompt the AI on what to do. So what I'm going to say is just make it talk and gesture like he is on a podcast. And then I'm going to go over here and hit this red button here. And now it's preparing my video. You can obviously change the aspect ratio and the time it takes and stuff like that. Now it's just finished generating Elon talking as a baby, and this is the result.
It's because I'm an alien. And I keep telling people I'm an alien, but they don't believe me.
So I'm going to go ahead and do the same with Joe Rogan, then pull it into editing software and show you the finished result. Uploaded the files into CapCut, and now I have stitched them together over here, and this is the result.
It's pretty wild.
It's because I'm an alien. And I keep telling people I'm an alien, but they don't believe me.
And go to captions over here, and we can generate captions for this by going here, selecting the font you want exactly. So these look cool.
It's pretty wild.
And we can click here and hit generate captions. And there you have it. There you have a baby video ready to go.
It's pretty wild.
It's because I'm an alien. And I keep telling people I'm an alien, but they don't believe me.
Now that was obviously a decent amount of work and time. Pretty easy, but it took some time. I'm going to show you an automation that allows you to do it by just simply filling in a form. So this is the automation that allows you to simply fill in a form that generates videos like this.
Dude, think about it. Smoking weed is like unlocking alternate channels in your brain, right? Like, who decided this plant needed to be illegal?
All I had to do to generate that video was fill in a form. If that's something that interests you, join my community. I'm giving away that automation for totally free, and it literally cuts the work in half. That's all for today. Please like the video if it helped you, so it motivates me to put out more like this. Get that automation. It automatically creates it, uploads it, does everything, so you just sit back and choose your baby parameters and get it done. Peace.